Hello students, today we are going to start with chapter 5, its good name, family values. Students, what are the values we are learned from our family? See in slide: health, blessing of elder, improving relationship, coordination, protection, living together, habitual practice, position in the society, nurturing, identification, cooperation, respect for elder, education, love, fulfillment of necessities, affection, etc. These are some family values that one learned from one family. So the family value involve all the ideas of how you want to live your family life, and they are often passed down from previous generation. See student, role in the decision making. Role in decision making: we live together in the family. Every person's like and dislike are different. Thoughts and opinions can also differ. We ourselves are different from others. Even so, our thoughts and opinions can match those of others on various topics. We have love and affections for each other. We take care of each other and are concerned about other people's well being. We talk to each other before making decisions about anything in the house. We consult each other and make decisions that everyone agrees with. In this way, we are part of the decision making in the family. See student, each person get the opportunity to say what they think. By asking everyone opinions, the subject is thoroughly discussed from every aspect. We feel like a more important part of the family when we see that our opinion is valued. See student, just as we have a role in making decision in our family, we also have a role in public decision making. In newspaper, we read about matter requiring public participation. See student, remember it, we feel the need for a minor changes in our environment. It is to our advantage that everyone has a role in making decision about changes in our surrounding. The government we elect make decisions regarding public matters. If we feel that a decision made by the government is wrong, we can register our opinion. In this way, we can be a part of the decision making process. See student, decision making is an integral part of modern management. Decision play important role as they determine organizational activities. A decision can be defined as a course of action purposely chosen from a set of alternatives to achieve organizational goal. See students, always remember it. Be a part of the decision making process in your home. Do not form your opinions merely on the basis of what others say. Share your thoughts with others. See student, everyone in the family must have a say in decision making. We must be honest in our private and public life. Okay student, so we will continue next time. Thank you.